guessing. She gave everything, she was such a blessing. But from day to day, she would change her ways. Give me her love, then she'd take it away, take it away, take it away. Just like the reaper, thought she was the one for me, turned out she was a sleeper. Sleeping on me in this game of love. I was too blind to see it'll never be enough. So good is never good enough for her. She won't stay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this beautiful spring makeup look, and I'm really disappointed because I lost the intro and the ending of the video, but I still wanted to get this video up for you guys because I really love how it turned out. I am using the Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics palette. I've been really loving this palette so much. So I think it's sold out as well. So it is a very nice palette, and I did this beautiful makeup look, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. I know there's no ending to it, but I did show you guys like a video that I recorded on my Snapchat and some pictures that I took. So I really hope that kind of makes up for what I lost. I tried resetting my computer, taking out my SIM card, and nothing works. Like, it's not showing up, so I have no idea where it went. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. All right, so what I went ahead and did, I did the little orangey yellow color first on my crease. Then I went with the burgundy shade on that palette and apply this right onto my crease as well. I'm trying to make sure that the color is a little bit lower than the orangey yellow shade, because I do want you to be able to see the colors that I am applying on my my eyelid. So basically I'm just going all the way, and it's okay if it gets messy, we can definitely clean it out. I didn't apply any setting powder on my eyes because I was really careful and I was taking my time doing this, so I didn't really fast forward. I was just trying to show you guys how long it takes me to blend everything. So yeah, and then again, I'm getting sick, you guys. My throat hurts really bad and my ear hurts so bad. I don't know what it is. The weather is fucking crazy over here, and I just don't feel well again. Oh my god, my daughter's sick again, and my son is getting sick as well. So this weather is just not helping at all. So I'm just going back with that orangey yellow shade and blending everything again. Then I'm just going to go with this green shade, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. I want it to have a little bit of green because spring is so beautiful, and today is the first day of spring. So this look is why I can't refilm it, because this was supposed to be my first spring makeup look for spring, the first day of spring. And so I'm really sorry. I feel so bad. Like, honestly, I feel really bad that I'm just don't have the intro and the finishing look at the end. But hopefully I'll do another look and it'll come out good. I do have another video I have to edit, so hopefully the files on that one did not get lost. So yeah, so I'm just cleaning out any fallout or anything like that, and I'm gonna go back and reapply the colors that I feel like are disappearing. It's okay if it gets like a little bit on the lid. You can go back and reapply the lid color. So yeah, definitely just make sure you touch up anything you feel that needs to be touched up. So here I'm using a pencil brush, and I'm going to be applying this turquoise color, and I decided to apply this in the tear duct area because I wanted my tear duct area to pop. I'm usually applying gold shades or anything like that, but today I decided I wanted to try something different. So I decided to apply this turquoise color right onto the tear duct to make the whole look pop. I feel this is the color that made the whole look amazing. So I loved how it turned out. So then I'm going back with this orangey shade, and I'm going to apply this in the bottom lash line, and I'm using a pencil brush, and I'm just applying this all over. Then I do go back with I think it's the burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply this right in the outer corner. That one right there, we're going to apply this right in the outer corner of the eye just to smoke it out a little bit. I feel like this just helped the look come together, and I'm just cleaning any fallout before it sets. Then I'm going back with that yellowy shade, and I'm going to use that to blend everything out. So I do take my time with it. If I feel like it just blended all the colors out, I just go back and reapply the colors again. Easily fix, and it looks amazing. And then after I clean out the fallout, this is when I lost the footage and I don't have anything else. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'm so sorry, guys. I really don't know what else to do, but I really wanted this look to go up today. So, yeah. Anyways, I want to thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.